angelfish. B is for blue whale. C is for crab. D is for dolphin. E is for eel. F is for fish. G is for great white shark. H is for hammerhead. I is for isopod. J is for jellyfish. K is for killer whale. L is for lobster. M is for manatee. N is for nautilus. O is for octopus. P is for pufferfish. Q is for queen angelfish.